This document is the Gulf of Tonkin Resolution, and came to be on August the 4th, 1964. On the evening of August the 4th, 1964, President Lyndon Johnson addressed the nation in a televised speech in which he stated that U.S. ships had been attacked twice in international waters in the Gulf of Tonkin near North Vietnam. The following morning, the Gulf of Tonkin Resolution was introduced into the Senate. Although the version shown here is the original draft solution, the language is not amended and therefore reads the same as the final version that was signed into law on August the 7th, 1964. So now we're going to take a look at the actual document. What I did was I pulled up a transcript of the document so it'd be a little bit easier to read. So this is the transcript. The 88th Congress of the United States of America at the second session, begun and held at the city of Washington on Tuesday, the 7th day of January, 1964. Joint resolution is to promote the maintenance of international peace and security in Southeast Asia. Whereas naval units of the communist regime in Vietnam, in violation of the principles of the Charter of the United States and of international law, have deliberately and repeatedly attacked United States naval vessels lawfully present in international waters and have thereby created a serious threat to international peace. And whereas these attacks are part of deliberate and systematic campaign of aggression that the communist regime in North Vietnam has been waging against its neighbors, and the nations join with them in the collective defense of their freedom. And whereas the United States is assisting the peoples of Southeast Asia to protest their freedom and has no territorial, military, or political ambitions in that area, but desires only that these people should be left in peace to work out their destinies in their own way. Now, therefore, be it resolved by the Senate and the House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled, that the Congress approves and supports the determination of the President as Commander-in-Chief to take all necessary measures to repel any armed attack against the forces of the United States and to prevent further aggression. Section 2. So I'm going to scroll down on this real quick. Just give me a second. The United States regards as vital to its national interest and to world peace the maintenance of international peace and security in Southeast Asia, consonant with the Constitution of the United States and the Charter of the United Nations, and in accordance with its obligations under the Southeast Asia Collective Defense Treaty. The United States is therefore prepared, as the President determines, to take all necessary steps, including the use of armed force, to assist any member or protocol state of the Southeast Asia Collective Defense Treaty requesting assistance in its defense of its freedom. Section 3. This resolution shall expire when the President shall determine that the peace and security of the area is reasonably assured by international conditions created by action of the United Nations or otherwise, except that it may be terminated earlier by concurrent resolution of the Congress.